And I'm gonna put, don't poke yourself in the eye, whatever you do, because it hurts. Hey y'all, welcome to another video. Today I wanted to play with some fun, bright colors. I was just in the mood and I wanted to do like something bright, kind of sunset, just really fun and out there. I haven't played with color in a little while and I was getting sick of myself. I don't know how y'all were watching me. I was getting sick of myself. So I had to break out of that comfort zone and play with some color again today. If you guys like this look and you want to learn how to get it, then just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell. Notification bell, thumbs up, comment, do all the things. You know the drill. I'm asking a lot. I know I'm asking a lot. And I'm sorry for that. So if you guys are interested in this look and how I achieved it, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with my eyes today since I wanna do something bright and sunset and very colorful. So I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. It has lots of beautiful colors here, as you can see. So we're gonna start with these shades today. First one I'm gonna go in with is Perfectionist right here. It's like a light peachy brown kind of shade. I'm gonna pick that up on a kind of a long-haired fluffy brush to start out with. This is the M518 by Morphe. And I'm gonna start that in my crease, starting mainly on the outer corner where I want most of the pigment to be, and then kind of sweeping it inward. Okay, the next shade I want to go in with is called Lolly Mama right here. It's pretty hot pink. We're gonna go in with a much smaller brush than the first one. Still a blending brush, but it's just a little bit smaller and denser. So we're gonna basically do the same thing, focusing on the outer corner of the crease. And I think I'm just going to mix the Lolly Mama with the Therapy Sesh right here, just to get kind of a pinky purple type color, just to start on the outer corner. So I'm just going back and forth between those. Okay, so then I want to go into Not My Journey, which is this kind of darker, very vibrant purple color, a little pencil brush like this, and focus this right on the outer corner, low down on my lash right here. I'm trying to use just a smidge of this orange Feeling Myself shade right here just to blend out the top edge and just try to make it blend, but something about these pinks and purples, just, I don't know what's happening today. I guess that's gonna be as good as it can get. We can always clean up underneath, don't worry about that. Then I'm just gonna take like a flat little brush like this, and I'm going to go into this first shade right here called Certified. It is a matte white shade, and I'm gonna put that all on the inner third, basically, of my eye. All right, I'm going to hop off camera, put on some mascara and some lashes, and I'll be right back. We'll do our face, we'll finish up our lower lash line, and we will have a bright, sunset, fun makeup look. Okay, well those lashes were an absolute nightmare today, so cool, fun for me, that took forever. Okay, so I just wanna put a little bit of this e.l.f. Putty Primer right here on the apples of my cheeks, just to fill in my pores. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna use this Revlon Candid foundation, and just put this on with a sponge today. And for concealer, I'm gonna use my NYX HD Concealer. I love this stuff. Okay, now that we look crazy, we can blend that out. Love this concealer. I'm not getting it right up to my eyes on the lower lash line because I am gonna bring purple shadow down there, so I'm not even worried about that. Okay, then I just want to put a little bit of the Mercier translucent setting powder under my eyes where I put that concealer. So I just put a little bit in the cap get a little bit on my brush and just set right where we put that concealer so it doesn't move. Oh my gosh, this powder is like so smoothing. It just blurs your face, it's wild. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Morphe bronzer. It's so beautiful. It's in the shade Megastar. It's nice and warm. Just gonna put this on with a little angled brush. Okay, so at this point, I want to just go ahead and finish my lower lash line so we can get that over with. I'm gonna do pretty much what I did on the top. I'm gonna first start with that lightest little peachy pink shade that we used right there on just a nice fluffy brush. And I'm gonna don't poke yourself in the eye, whatever you do, because it hurts. And I'm just gonna run that all underneath my lower lash line. And I'm gonna use this little color switch type thing to get that pigment off of this brush so I can go in with, I think on the bottom, I just wanna do a mixture of maybe these two, and I wanna connect it to what we have on the top right there so it's just like seamless. Then I'm gonna take this stiff definer brush like this and I'm gonna go into this dark purple shade and I'm gonna wiggle this right on my lash line. It's a nice and concentrated purple right there. Then once I lay it down with that brush, I will take this little fluffy blending brush right here. This is the M506. Love this brush. And then I think I even want to take just a little bit of this yellow right here and just kind of hit the edges all the way around to kind of pull together that sunset vibe. Just really lightly. And just a tiny little pinch because that is a very bright yellow. Same thing kind of down here, very lightly with barely anything on my brush. And I'll just sweep away that translucent powder there. And if there was anything that fell onto my face, it will have gotten on that powder that we put and can just sweep it right away like that. Okay, now we need blush, definitely. I definitely want to bring the blush up high to meet up with the eyeshadow down here. I know I use these a lot, but I think I want to use this Pixi palette. Hold on, where's my brush? Hello? Brush, where are you? There you are. Jeez. And I'm going to use the lightest pink shade, and I think I might even mix it a little bit with this Tarte blush right here. I was just trying to find like a really bright pink blush, and this is in the shade Kisses. It's an Amazonian Clay blush by Tarte. So I'll just put on this like light pink one right here first. And I'm gonna bring this really high up to meet the eyeshadow. This has a beautiful glow to it. And then I think I'll top it with a little bit of this Tarte blush right here. Then I want to use a little Jaclyn Hill Luminous powder in the shade Do Me. Just put a little on my cap. It's just like a loose kind of luminous powder. Not really highlighty, but just like luminous and beautiful. I love how this mirror just like blinds the whole camera and it sucks, so sorry. To finish off the inner corner, I just want to take a little bit more of that matte white certified shade and really just blow that out on the inner corner of the eye. And you can see just the difference that that makes just by adding a little bit more. We did add some earlier, but I just really want to like amp it up, really blow it out up to the nose contour almost. Then I'm just gonna put a little bit of this Morphe Coconut White eyeliner in my waterline, some mascara on my lower lashes. Yes, now we look bright. This is my favorite lower lash mascara. Yes, I'm that high maintenance and I have a favorite lower and upper lash mascara. This is the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Angel. And I really like it because look how teeny tiny this little comb is, and it just like combs out your lower lashes and gets every little hair. So good, I love it. Okay, I'll try this Maybelline lipstick in the shade 540. And then I think I need a gloss today. Let's try this. This is a, I don't know what this is. Let's see if this is too bright. No, it just looks like it's bright in the tube. Flip the tube. If you know where that's from, then we're best friends. Flip the tube. It's just bright in the tube. It's not bad when it's on. It's pretty. I got this in my Ipsy Glam bag. I don't know what it's called. This is what it's called. That's all I know. I don't know. So what do you guys think? How do you think it turned out? Little fun kind of sunset pinky purple vibe. I like it. It's super fun. I haven't done a bright look in a minute and I like it. I like it a lot. Happy with it. I was struggling a little bit piling those bright shadows like one on top of the other, like the pink, the purple, and these are like pressed pigments because they're so bright and vibrant, so I was having a little bit of trouble layering them on top of each other, but I did end up getting it to like work. And I did prime my eyes with concealer like I always do, so I don't know. I don't know what the deal was today, but because I think I've used those before and I don't know. I could be out of practice. It could be because I haven't used bright colors in a while and I was just, I don't know. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.